subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification.
Today we will discuss about simple methods how to simplify the algebraic identities of class 9. Okay, algebraic identities of class 9 in a simple manner. Okay, the first identity is a plus b whole square is the first identity. So we have the formula, but we have to express it first in expanded form. That is equal to a plus b into a plus b. That's equal to a into a plus b. First term will be multiplied with both the terms. Again b with a plus b. Equal to then a with a square plus a into b, then b with a ba plus b square equal to a square plus ab plus ab, and this ba is also same as ab by applying commutative property, so that is equal to 2ab plus b square. In expanded form, if the question is like this, to express a plus b whole square, that is square of a plus b in expanded form, that means a square plus 2ab plus b square. But if we want to find out in formula, we can directly write down the formula as a plus b whole square means a square, that means first term square, plus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. Okay, so this is the formula and by applying this, so this is number one formula. Again, we can also find out the value of a square plus b square. Second formula equal to a plus b whole square, and these 2ab when taken to this side will be equal to minus 2ab, because in different problems just where a plus b and ab is given, the value of a plus b and ab is given, then we have to apply this formula a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So we'll take some example to simplify this. First one is, suppose 2x plus 3y whole square in expanded form. Thus 2x plus 3y whole square equal to, so 2x plus 3y into 2x plus 3y, that can be written as 2x into first term will be multiplied with this 2x plus 3y, again plus 3y into 2x plus 3y, then multiplying 2x into 2x, that's equal to 4x square, that means 2 into 2 4, x into x square, then 2 into 3 6, then x into y equal to xy, plus 3 into 2 6 plus y into x yx, plus 3 into 2 9, 3 9, then y into y 9x, then 4x square plus 6xy, then 6yx is same as 6xy by commutative property, so that it is 12xy plus 9y square. This is by expanded form. The square of 2x plus 3y whole square equal to 4x square plus 12xy plus 9y square. But if the question is only simplify, suppose the question is 5x minus plus 7y square. Simplify means only we have to apply directly the formula. Okay, so that's equal to first term square. Here the first term is 5x, so first term square plus 2 into first term 5x into second term 7y plus second term square. So that's equal to 5x whole square equal to 25x square plus 2 into 5 into 2, 2 into 5, 10 plus 7 into 7 equal to 70xy plus 7y whole square means 7y into 7y, that's equal to 49y square. So this is the answer. Okay, this is by directly applying the formula, this is the result. Similarly, if another example is find the square or find the product. That means given 103 into 103, or the question is its square, or the question is square. That means 103 into 103. What do you mean by this? This means 103 whole square. So this can be written as 100 plus 3 whole square. So that 100 is the first term. So 100 square plus 2 into 100 the first term into the second term into 3 plus second term square. So that's equal to 1 followed by double zero means in square will be 1 square 1, then double zero square will be 40 plus 2 into 1 into 3 6, then double zero 600 plus 9, then add it 10609. So this is the square. So by applying a plus b whole square, this is the result. That means the product of some numbers can be found out. But by applying the same formula, if one question is, example is, suppose a plus b equal to 9 and ab equal to 20, then find a square plus b square equal to how much? Then find a square plus b square equal to how much? A plus b given 9, but and ab equal to 20 given, and we have to find out a square plus b square equal to how much. So we can directly apply the formula or remind the formula. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Thus a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus 12, because a square plus b square taken to one side and 2ab to other side, so a plus b whole square minus 12. And then put the values. A plus b equal to 9, so 9 square minus 2 into ab 20, 9 square equal to 81 minus 2 into 20, 40, so 81 minus 40 equal to 41. So this is the one such example which are in the syllabus, and different type of examples may be in your exam. Similarly, the second one, applying the formula a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A minus b, a is the first term, b is the second term, so its form square is means we can write it as first term square minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term whole square. So with this we can find out one example. Suppose one example is 15a minus 12b whole square. So that's equal to 15a whole square first term square minus 2 into first term 15a into second term 12b plus 12b whole square. So 15a whole square means 15a into 15a, that's equal to 225a square minus then 2 into 50 into 12, 2 into 15 30 into 12 360, then a into b, ab plus 12b whole square equal to 12b whole square equal to 144b square. So this is the answer. If another formula also, if another example is a minus b given, suppose if a minus b equal to 5 and ab equal to 10, then find a square plus b square equal to how much? So a square plus b square equal to how much? Just before we have read a square, when a plus b and ab is given, a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab, but here a minus b given, so a square plus b square equal to, we have to apply the formula a minus b whole square plus 2ab. So that a minus b means 5 square plus 2 into ab here 10, so 5 square equal to 25 plus 20 equal to 45. Next formula number 3, a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square equal to how much? So we know a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So that's equal to thus a square like term is added to like term, so that it is 2a square plus 2ab and minus 2ab, same number added and subtracted, so it is cancelled, plus 2b square 2b square, that's equal to 2 into a square plus b square. If 2 is taken as common, so 2 into a square plus b square, thus a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square equal to 2 into a square plus b square. Another formula also, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. So a plus b whole square how much? A square plus 2ab plus b square. minus a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, that's equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square minus taken as common, that means it is to be multiplied, that is equal to minus a square minus minus plus 2ab then minus b square equal to plus a square minus a square, same term added and subtracted, so it is cancelled, b square also cancelled, so 2ab and 2ab when added, that's equal to 4ab. Thus it is one of the formula a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square equal to 4ab. Number 5 formula. Thus 4ab equal to a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square implies ab equal to a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square divided by 4. That means product of two numbers equal to a plus b whole square, square of its sum, and the difference of its different square divided by 4. So also it can be written as a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square. How? Because 4 means 2 square, one is a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square. It is another formula.